So that was the unboxing, y'all. And let me just say, this here comes 2 different ways. You can purchase just this, or like Miss Tamika and purchase the whole set. And when I say whole set, this is what I'm talking about. This, like I said, you can buy like this, and this here is the extra pieces. And of course, I wanted the extra pieces, and plus I got it for a deal on the Saks website. So if it's still available, I will try and link it down below for you all. It also comes with a hydration system. This is, I guess this here, it says portable drinking lid with carrying cap, a stainless steel infusion chamber, so infuse water with bright flavors, nutrients. And then it says you have your glass hydration vessel. Yes, with this, I don't know, I guess you could put fruit in here, y'all. I have to like really watch a tutorial because all the videos I watched just had the blender. So I'm assuming, let me see, they'll put like fruit in here, and it will keep it from turning colors, because that was my issue when I had infused cups or bottles with fruit in the inside, and it would turn my water like red or blue or whatever type of fruit I end up using. So maybe with this, and if I put strawberries or blueberries, it'll keep the water from turning color. So that's amazing. And as you can see, it's a pretty good size. It has a handle for you to carry her around, and then you have a top. And I like the fact that it's stainless steel, so if I'm using gloss or whatever on, it'll just wipe off easily. So I do like that, because sometimes I have plastic sprouts and they can be kind of messy when you got something on your lip. So if you can see here in the inside, this will keep you from like drinking the fruit or berries you put in here. So I do like that big old thing. This is where you can put your smoothies in, y'all. To have a smaller one, like if you want to, I don't know, make something small, I guess. And I like the fact that they both come with tops. Like for instance, some smoothies, and you have a little left over, you can take it and twist. You can take it and put the store top on it and just toss it in the fridge or the freezer. Instead of keeping the blade on, you can just use the actual top. And plus, it also keeps your smoothie fresh. Yeah, y'all, I'm loving this. This is cute. I don't want to make a smoothie right now because I don't really have a taste for one. So I'm gonna leave this here as is. Well, I'll probably just leave it until I decide to want to make a smoothie, because I don't know, I just been feeling weird, you all. So I don't know what's going on. I did just get over COVID, but I don't know, I'm just feeling, and it always starts up in here. So right now I don't have a taste for a smoothie, but I don't know, I just hope I'm not getting sick again, because I think I'm gonna just die at this point. So here is the smaller one. I don't know what I would put in this one. Maybe like if I'm making just a quick smoothie, I guess. This is so cute. Like, I got it because it was cute. And let me see what else it comes with. It also comes with, shows you how to use everything. So add your preferred ingredients to the vessel. Okay, so you can add leafy greens, produce, ice, liquids, powder, seeds, and nuts. Okay. Hydration system, I guess, show you how it works. I guess it's just basically just put in, yeah, it says attach the infused chamber mount to the drinking lid, add your preferred ingredients, attach the chamber, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so this is where you would probably place like your fruits in the inside. Wait to make some cute infused drinks, like showing you how I cut up my stuff or whatever. The grocery store and purchase some more fruit, because I just threw away some strawberries because they didn't look right. Again, you get this, and this, and some extra lids. Oh, and by the way, like, let's just say you make your smoothie in here. I want to take this to work. You just attach this like so. You would take this here off and you would place it on here. and you can take your little smoothie and go. Like, how cute. It would be a little too big for me, but again, you just never know. Maybe I'll make a smoothie where it goes like a meal replacement, I guess. Well, that was my really quick unboxing. What else? So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this camera off because I did film today. Oh, by the way, I am wearing this here Fenty Cherry liquid, what is it, cherry lip balm. Never keep this in, like this is always sold out. Working at Sephora, I get first dibs, or when I'm there, let's put it like that, because if I'm there, I grab it. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash this stuff up. I don't know how this white is gonna hold up, because as you can see, I think it's called Stone. I didn't want the gray or the black, so hopefully, fingers crossed, this doesn't like stain easily. It's a pretty good blender. I'm only looking to use it to blend smoothies like nothing else, because I do have a smoothie down below that I can use to like make other things, because I'm just using this strictly for smoothies and stuff, like acai bowls and smoothies, like that's it. Put like make guacamole or stuff like I'm not gonna use that for this. Here's the button you just push to start. Do a vlog or a smoothie. I have the stuff in there, but like I said, I'm not feeling my best. I don't know what's going on, y'all. So just make it and just not drink it. Like if my daughter was here, I probably would have made it and she could have drank the smoothie. But only thing I probably use right now is this here Fuse drink. I don't know if I can use this. I don't think I even have lemons. I might grab a bag of lemons tomorrow before I go to work, because I work 4 to 10 tomorrow. So I will talk to y'all later. Bye.
Jump off, goons in the club, case something jump off. You back up for the high.